Welcome to Graeme and Robyn Young's The Gold Digger. This classic 1958 Ford Custom 300 packs some seriously cool muscle car goodies under that hood, yet it still retains its classy 58 factory appearance with the moulded side trims and detailing that the cool era of Wings had. These custom Tudor sedans, as they were known way back then, were the bread and butter car for the Ford Motor Company. As a little brother to the Fairlane with a smaller engine, they were sold as the economical version, with business owners picking them up for their fleet cars. Being a good old American and desert car for 30 years of its life, this fully original car was perfect for what Graeme had in mind for it. The body being straight and clean of the rust problems often encountered made life a lot easier for the finish to capture that gloss and reflection of the modern Tangerine Scream paint that simply glows in the sunshine. Graeme has done an awesome job with the rebuild of this automobile. The full bare metal rotisserie build with a bunch of modifications, including swapping the steering wheel over to make it a right-hand drive, has all been done to such a standard you would think it had just rolled off the factory floor. The rebuild didn't just stop with the body here. The interior has been fully refitted with the leather upholstery with the original styling to keep the classic 58 look going. The original gauge cluster moved to the opposite side and finished to look as a factory. I'm not sure if this one still classes itself as economical now though. When I jumped in for a ride with Graeme, the first thing I noticed was the floor shift 4-speed gear lever poking up from the floor. Then when Graeme flicked the key, it was very apparent that things had been altered a tad under that long hood up the front. This beautiful looking cruiser now packs a tough 351 cubic inch Windsor backed by a 4-speed top loader to shove the revs back to the rear wheels. The engine bay where the growly old Windsor sits in place of the original engine is also detailed to a show standard with polished aluminium rocker covers framing the polished ribbed air cleaner. This entire creation looks to be straight out of the factory. It sits with a low stance but still not overdone, taking on the unassuming sleeper styling that it has. Of course, with these sort of engine mods going on, you can bet Graeme didn't leave the brakes and suspension alone. The front received a set of Woolwood calipers and rotors to help pull it up, while the rear received a set of Caltrack traction bars for when the torque from that tricked up Windsor hits the tarmac to get it going without hesitation. This ride isn't just a showpiece though. Graeme and Robyn have been clocking up the miles from the day it hit the road. Driven not hidden is definitely the motto here.